In this video, I will be showing you how to draw Bohr diagrams. There are 3 steps to drawing Bohr diagrams. Number 1, identify the element symbol. Number 2, determine the number of electrons this element has. And number 3, determine the period and the group of this element. For example, let's draw the Bohr diagram of phosphorus. First, let's locate phosphorus in the periodic table. The element symbol of phosphorus is P. It has 15 protons, therefore it has 15 electrons, because the number of electrons and protons are the same in an atom. It is in period 3 and in group 15, meaning that it will have 5 electrons in the valence shell. First off, let's start with drawing out the element symbol. After that, because it is in period 3, we know it will have 3 shells. Now we draw out 3 circles. The first shell can only fit 2 electrons, therefore we will draw 2 in the first shell. The second shell can fit 8 electrons. We draw these electrons in clockwise order until there are 4 on each side. Then we pair up the rest with the same order. Same rule applies for the third shell. Because phosphorus has 5 valent electrons, there will be 1 pair of electrons on the top. Some important things to remember when drawing a Bohr diagram include: the first shell will contain 2 electrons, the second shell will contain 8, the third shell is also 8, and the fourth shell is 18. The period number of an element will determine how many shells it has. If we look at a periodic table, we can see the group number of the element as well. Except for the transitional metals, the group number goes 1, 2, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. In group 1, the elements will have 1 valent electron. In group 2, the elements will have 2. Skipping all the way to group 13, these elements will have 3 valent electrons. 14 will have 4, and 15 will have 5. That is how we knew that phosphorus will have 5 valent electrons on its outermost shell. And that is how you draw a Bohr diagram.